You know, every week before Election Day, our insiders are discussing a specific measure that's either on the statewide ballot or on a local measure. And this week, let's look at Measure 2Q on the Denver ballot, and that's Denver Health's sales tax, which would help fund the hospital, which serves residents throughout this region, not just in Denver. Let's start with you, Laura, to talk about this tax, because there are two dueling taxes, sales tax proposals in Denver right now.
Yeah, well, I unfortunately was a recent customer of the Trauma One Center at DHHA, and I can, from firsthand experience, tell you that the caliber and the value of the Trauma One Center is incredible, right? DHHA is known for their Trauma One Center, but delivering health care in schools to 16,000 students, that's where you start mitigating health issues, right? Dollars to go for living wage for employees at DHHA, that's incredibly important for the work that they do, the stressful situations that they're under, mental health, adding to mental health. All these components that are in this measure are really, really important. And I would consider this life safety, right? I don't consider, for all the issues and the dollars that the city and the state are pouring into affordable housing, I wouldn't consider it life safety. So if I have to choose between life safety and more dollars for affordable housing, I'm gonna choose life safety.
2Q, the folks running that campaign, they did a great job of availing themselves of one of the more important budgets in a campaign, and that is of time. They've socialized the need for a year now, right? Lining up donors, doing the research, making sure the community was aware, lobbying city council, sitting down with city council, and because city council is critical to that effort of putting an issue on the ballot, and they were able to do so in a way that council was comfortable giving a unanimous vote to putting on the ballot. And you can contrast that to the mayor's affordable housing question, 2R, a little bit, much later getting out of the gate. Either the mayor underestimated the role of council in that process, or he overestimated his ability to be influential with council because he didn't get the unanimous vote to put that on the ballot. It's 9-4. It'll be interesting to see those 4 city council members that voted against putting it on the ballot, how vocal they become during the campaign.
Patty.
It isn't just city council members who felt blindsided when the affordability sales tax came up. It was all the stakeholders who, as Sean noted, had worked together for months, in some cases a year, to really put the arguments together, to put the package together, to make a case for why, as the core center of the metro area, Denver Health has services it must provide, and it needs help if it's going to keep doing them. So you go from that very specific and reasoned and inclusive campaign that really tugs at where Denverites are. You want to vote for people, you want to help people, but you want specific help. And I think, unlike the affordability tax, which is so vague on where the money will go, this one will squeak by because Denverites will want to help those who really need help and know where the money's going.
Mm-hmm. I've heard it referred to as the safety net, for all of us here in Colorado, this hospital.
Yeah, and I would just say too, I think what on 2Q in particular, it's also a testament to Donna Lynn's leadership, and she has not only worked and led in the healthcare industry, but she also knows how to put these coalitions together, and she was very thoughtful with how this all came together, and I agree with all the comments that have been made, and that healthcare and the pandemic, I think, really illustrated the importance of these systems to support communities, and to me this issue is a very important one, and I again do think it's a testament to Donna's leadership.
And we all know that Denver Health has been here for a while, but I looked it up. It's opened in 1860. Mm-hmm. It is an institution in our state. Thanks for watching this ballot discussion. The Colorado Inside Out team will tackle one measure every week right up until Election Day. Don't miss an episode so that you're all set to vote on or before November 5th.